I just added up how much breaking basic money rules has cost me. $14,300. And I only realized it while making this video. There are 10 golden rules of money that everyone online repeats like they're obvious. I've broken 7 of them. Not because I'm bad with money, because nobody explained why they mattered until it was already too late. So today I'm going through all 10. The ones I broke, what it actually cost me in real dollars, and the 3 I got right that saved me. If you've broken even half of these, you're going to want to stick around for the number at the end. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first. I didn't do this for 3 years. I paid rent, bills, subscriptions, and whatever was left might go to savings. Spoiler, nothing was ever left. Cost me roughly $3,000 in savings I never built during my first 2 years working full-time. Rule number 2. Build an emergency fund before investing. I did the opposite. I put $2,000 into a brokerage account, felt proud, and then my car transmission died 6 months later. I had to sell those investments at a loss just to cover a $1,800 repair. That timing mistake cost me about $340 in realized losses and fees. Rule number 3. Know your credit utilization. I had no idea this was a thing until my credit score dropped 60 points. I was using almost 80% of my credit limit on one card without realizing utilization was even a factor. Took me 8 months to rebuild that score. Rule number 4. Contribute enough to get your full 401k match. This one is the expensive one. I wasn't contributing enough to get my full employer match for almost 2 years. That's free money I just left on the table. I estimate it cost me around $4,800 in missed employer contributions, not even counting growth. Rule number 5. Automate your savings. I relied on willpower instead of automation. Some months I saved a lot, some months zero. Automating even $100 a month would have added up to real, consistent progress instead of the stop-start mess I actually had. Rule number 6. Understand the difference between a Roth IRA and a 401k. I genuinely thought they were the same thing for over a year. I delayed opening a Roth IRA because I assumed my 401k already covered that. That delay cost me roughly a year of tax-free growth I can't get back. Rule number 7. Track where your money actually goes. I thought I knew my spending. I didn't. When I finally tracked 1 month, I found $220 in subscriptions I'd forgotten I was paying for. Multiply that by the years I didn't track anything, and it's an ugly number. To be fair to myself, 3 rules I followed from the start. Living below my means, even when I got raises. Avoiding high-interest credit card debt by paying it off in full every month. Starting to invest it all, even messily, instead of waiting for the perfect time. These 3 alone are probably the reason I'm not in worse shape than I could be. So that's the real cost of breaking 7 out of 10 basic money rules. Around $14,300, mostly in missed 401k match and delayed investing. If you've broken any of these too, tell me which one in the comments. I want to know the one that hit you hardest. And if this was useful, subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down exactly how I fixed the biggest one, the 401k match mistake. Money mistakes aren't the end of the story. They're just the tuition. Let's keep figuring this out together. See you in the next one.